Hello, and thanks for joining me today. This is Patti Behan, and in this video, I am using Wendy Vecchi and Letterit products to show you a way to get the maximum use out of your stencils and to put the spotlight on your card's message. To begin, I am using the Letterit alternating chevron stencil and a Wendy Vecchi perfect cardstock panel in white. I'm going to center the stencil over the card, place some magnets in the corner to hold everything down, and then I'm using the scallop circle mask from the Country Flower set and centering it over the chevron stencil. And then place more magnets to hold those down. Next, take your Bluebird Wendy Vecchi blendable ink, and I like to store my foam on the back of the pad with a piece of Velcro there. Place your foam onto the ink blending tool and then get some ink on there. And then go ahead and color the background. Okay, once that's done, next we're going to take off the magnets. And it looks like this. And then I'm taking the stencil and I'm going to line it up with the design on the card. Put down the magnets. And I'm going to use sunflower ink this time. Put some ink on the foam and go ahead and color in the circle. And for this, I'm going darker in the center and lighter around the edges. Once that's done, it looks like this. And then I'm going to take the stamp from the Hey You Letterit set and place it on an acrylic block. And I'm going to ink it with jet black archival ink. And stamp it in the center. And I'm going to take this trio of hearts here and put it on the stamp block. And again, I'm going to get my jet black archival ink and put some ink on the stamp. And we're going to stamp it 2 times and re-ink in between each time, like so. Next, for my card base, I am using a piece of cardstock trimmed to 9 inches by 5 3/4 inches. And now I am adhering the base of the card with Letterit double stick tape like so. And to add a little sparkle, I'm going to take my stickles and I'm using True Blue. And before you squeeze them onto your card, take a piece of scrap paper and test it out and get the stickles flowing. And once you do that, go ahead and color in the hearts. Okay, and there you have it, a vibrant and shiny card that's sure to brighten someone's day. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button below. And if you would like to give this project a try, you can find a link to the full supply list in the description box. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.